headmistress, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm happy to be back to this great school once again, Arunachal once again. So because of Father, I also have never seen him. It's the first time I'm seeing him. Talking to the Father. So thank you, Father, for giving me this opportunity. I was really taken up with the assembly, small little kids conducting the assembly. That's something very great, wonderful, so nice. Education is really going well here. It's very hot, so I don't stay long. Dear friends, action speaks louder than words. That's the sentence I love the most. Action speaks louder than words. Come to school, not on time. Come to school before time. Action speaks louder than words. Improve your studies. Respect your elders. Prove with your action that you're improving day by day. So have a wonderful day with the very sentence, action speaks louder than words. Thank you so much.